Earning money quickly online often involves leveraging existing skills or engaging in microtasks. Here are some legitimate ways to consider, ranging from quick cash to more sustainable income streams. 1. Freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, translation, data entry, or virtual assistance, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com can connect you with clients seeking your services. This can provide quick income if you find suitable projects. 2. Online surveys and microtasks. While they won't make you rich, sites like Swagbucks, branded surveys, Free Cash, and JumpTask pay you for completing short tasks like surveys, watching videos, playing games, or engaging with social media. These are good for earning a little extra cash in your spare time. 3. Selling products online, print on demand. If you have design skills, you can create designs for t-shirts, mugs, and other merchandise and sell them through print-on-demand services. You don't hold inventory, the company prints and ships when a customer orders. Drop shipping. This involves selling products online without managing inventory. You partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. Selling used items, platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or local online marketplaces allow you to sell old clothes, electronics, or other unused items. Selling digital products. If you have expertise, you can create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, online courses, or software. 4. Online tutoring. If you have knowledge in a specific subject, you can tutor students online through platforms like Chegg, OutSchool, or Vipkid.
5. Testing websites and apps. Companies like User Testing pay you to test their websites and apps and provide feedback. This can be a relatively quick way to earn money for a short amount of work. 6. Transcription services. If you have good listening skills and can type accurately, you can offer transcription services, converting audio or video into text. 7. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. This often requires building an audience through a blog, social media, or YouTube channel. 8. Content creation, blogging, YouTube, podcasting. While not fast in the immediate sense, building an audience through a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast can lead to significant income over time through ads, sponsorships, and selling your own products, services. Important considerations for earning money online. Legitimacy. Be wary of get-rich-quick schemes. Focus on legitimate platforms and services. Skills. The more specialized and in-demand your skills, the higher your earning potential. Effort and consistency. Even fast methods require consistent effort to see results. Building a reputation. For freelancing and content creation, building a strong reputation is key to long-term success. Remember to research any platform or method thoroughly before investing your time or money.